Hello, this is Troop 2684, and today we will be sharing information about the Great Pacific Garbage Patch.
What is the Great Pacific Garbage Patch? The Great Pacific Garbage Patch is a vortex created by colliding ocean currents that carries trash to one great isle of debris. It is one of the 5 major garbage patches in the world, and it is located in the Northwest. It was originally discovered in 1988, which is remarkably late for its immense size and impact on marine life. This garbage patch is twice the size of Texas, which is around 537,194 square miles. In the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, there are many non-recyclable plastics and the chemicals that are released from the plastics.
The Great Pacific Garbage Patch is not the only one. Other garbage patches are located in the North Pacific, South Pacific, North Atlantic, South Atlantic, and Indian Ocean. This picture shows a diagram of how long it takes for any plastic item to be broken down. As you can see, it takes longer for a plastic, metal, or glass item to break down rather than an organic item. This garbage patch doesn't just affect humans. Marine life is hugely impacted as well. The trash gets tangled around animals' bodies, limiting their capabilities and not allowing their bodies to properly mature. Other marine life, such as plants, are not able to make their food and produce oxygen. As you can see, plastic goes through its own cycle. The small bits of plastic travel into plankton, which are consumed by a variety of fish. Turtles, birds, and other animals are not able to provide their bodies with proper nutrients. Eating plastic causes them to think they are full, but only lead to their devastation. On average, it takes 450 years for one plastic bottle to completely degrade, but some can take up to 1,000 years. An accumulation of all of this trash leads to things like the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. When plastic finally does start to break down, chemicals are released into the atmosphere, creating more environmental problems.
There are many ways to help prevent the expansion of the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. Here are a few ways you can help. Recycle all plastics you use, such as water bottles or packaged food items. Drink from a reusable water bottle to reduce plastic intake. These are sold at local stores such as Walmart or Target. Inform and educate other people by sharing your knowledge with them. Encourage them to help reduce their plastic intake. Partake in a local beach cleanup with your friends.
Recent studies have shown that the use of traditional ways of cleaning the ocean with vessels and nets would take too many years and would cost too much money. With recent technological advancements, they have created a device called the floater, whose purpose is to catch and concentrate plastic. They have created drones that are being trained to identify and pick up trash along coastlines, and big businesses have devoted their corporations to better reuse and recycle plastic packages. Please take into consideration these are only a few examples that can help prevent further destruction to our ecosystem. Deciding whether or not to put a plastic water bottle into a recycling bin can determine the fate of an underwater creature's life. This is our world and we determine what happens to it. One person can make a difference.